Hi guys, that day we are going on the world in a world. So this page we have already completed, and now we are going on this page from absolutely here. So from here we will go on. But my favorite were the shyest member. So before that we read about the knight who comes to night and kill, means who are the predators. They kill the insects like dragonflies, okay, spiders, and many wasps, crane flies, stupid crane flies like. Now, but my favorite were the shyest member of the world community who did not seek any attention. They were also the most dangerous. You hardly ever saw one useless you looked for it, and yet there must have been several hundred living in the cracks of the wall. If you gently lift a piece of loose plaster away from the bricks, there crawfully beneath it would be a little black scorpion, right? An inch long. So you can see here the picture. You can obviously see this picture. The scorpion is getting into the Larry's hand. So this is the long leg, or as you can say tail. These two are leg and this is the tail. So next is, though he were made out of polished chocolates. So you can see that picture that they were made of polished chocolate. They were wired looked things with their flattered, oh my god, they were made of flattered oval bodies. Their neat cooked legs, the enormous crab like claws. So who was the animal like claws? You're right, bull bears, and neatly joined as armors, and the tail like a string of brown beads ending in a string like a rose thorn. So his string was like a rose thorn, my god. Then you think, what a if scorpion will bite us, then what it will be? The scorpion would be there quietly as you escamped him, only raising his tail as a warning sign if you breathe too hard on him. My god. Then one day I found a fat female scorpion in the world wearing what at first glance appeared to be a pale fawn fur coat. Closer impression proved that this strange garment was made up of a mass. So what it was made up of? Guys, you're right. It was made of a mass of teeny babies clinging to a mother's back. I was interrupted by this family, and I made up my mind to smuggle them into the house and up to my bedroom, so that I might keep them and watch them grow up. With infinite care I moved the mother and family into a matchbox and then hurried to the village. It was rather unfortunate that just as I entered the door, lunch should be served. However, I placed the matchbox carefully on the mint piece in the drawing room and made my way to the dining room and joined the family for the meal. Dowling over my food, feeding Roger surreptitiously under the table and listening to the family arguing. I completely forgot about my exciting new captures. At last, Larry had finished. Fetch the cigarettes. from the drawing room, and lying back to his chair, he put one in his mouth and picked up the matchbox and had brought. Obviously, that day of end, my happy days was about to come. I watched my eldest brother. Incidentally, what happened? Still talking loudly, he opened the matchbox. Oh my God, he opened the matchbox. Now, I insist to this day that the female scorpion mean no harm. So she was nervous and a little annoyed at being shut up in a matchbox for so long. So he was shut up matchbox for so long, and so he seized the first opportunity to escape, pulled herself out of the box with great rapidity. Her babies were done clinging on desperately and shuttled on the baby of Larry's hand. So today, till Larry's hand. Thanks for watching this video.